So guys, here it's something interesting has kept. India's only multi-layer transportation system, that's from Nagpur. Oh, that is also a pretty interesting one. I got to know now. Yes, another thing. Naresh brother, time to say bye from his Ritwal Auto. Bye brother, thank you. So this is Ritwal Autos, Hyderabad. You get all kind of original spares from here. So time to get back to the Sena guys. So now Kushal brother is leading me to get the NGK original spark plugs. So that is like very useful on higher altitudes. So I'm just following him to get those spark plugs from there. So this street in Hyderabad is called, I'm not sure which street, but I'll let you know. Degree College, Ramkot. You get all the space, whatever you need for the bikes, and all the best mechanics you get over here in Hyderabad. You can see lot and lot of shops, seat, bike shops and everything. You can silencers. Everywhere is biking related things. So don't miss this visit, all the riders and bikers. Ramkot. So Ramkot is the region where you need to come for your space.
Road only.
Okay, brother.
No right.
Okay, sure.
After that, you need to take a U-turn and
Yeah.
then immediate left.
I'll follow the map.
Follow the map.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, brother. Take care. Thank you so much, bro.
Keep in touch.
Sure. Bro. Okay, brother. I'll keep moving. You're coming on the way. Oh, sorry. So I just received my Sena product from the distributor of Sena in Hyderabad, and I'm just about to get started towards Nagpur today. Time is 2:28 and I hope I reach before 8. Okay sir, bye. Thank you sir. Thank you. We'll go ahead bro, like this to the main road, right? We'll go from there, we'll check. Yeah, okay. I had some yummy biryani, Hyderabad biryani over here in this hotel, Bawa Rich restaurant. Hyderabad biryanis are pretty different kind of taste, like you have some gravy, basmati rice and some differently cooked chicken. They will give you with stew and some curd, onions added. So it was tastes okay and was pretty good. Finally I had some biryani. Now I'm getting back to the highway. And Nagpur is flooded it seems, so I hope the rain won't damage the ride. So Nagpur is 447, Delhi is 1459. I'm just thinking today to ride overnight. Riding overnight is not a big deal, but you may feel sleepy in the morning and the whole day you can't ride it fresh. So let's see what, let me reach Nagpur first, then we'll decide what we need to do. The highway had already started and I'm keep on going. So this is day 4, and day 3 I just reached Ragul Brothers place, and he is one welcoming guy. You should visit on your way towards Nagpur from Hyderabad. So day 4 I am starting from Pandragauda, the border of Maharashtra and Telangana, and the day seems to be a bit drizzling up, but everything happens in the road trip, and all set, good to go. We'll go, bro. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Thank you. तुम मेरा ब्रो है. बाय बाय. टेक केयर. आया मेरे साथ आओ ना, जाएगा. बाय बाय बाय. So very loving people, and the day starts great. All set to hit Nagpur first. I need to meet Raj brother and Sachin Dada, the two most important people of mine in Nagpur. We'll just have a meet, and then I'll keep moving towards I don't know where I'll be reaching today, but I kept going in. So this is Pandragauda, one of the first big town you get when you enter from Telangana to Maharashtra. Bit old town also, I guess. Oh wow, 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 wow. And here is the sorrowful incident happened. The farmers suicide here. The biggest number of farmers who have suicide here. And this is really pathetic situation happening, because the support from the government has been not yet reached that much to the people here, and they've been making a big issues to get the money back. So I wish one day India will be coming forward to support all the farmers. So chalo, Ragul brother is leading me to the highway, and all goes good. Chalte. So I'm back on highway after saying a big bye to Ragul brother. He's a very nice guy. You should meet him whenever on your way towards Hyderabad from Nagpur, or Nagpur to Hyderabad. He stays in the border of Telangana, Maharashtra. All set, heading towards Nagpur. Guys, I need to take the right, so now also I was in the wrong direction, but yeah, thank God they moved ahead. So yeah, that's where Raj brother is waiting for me, meeting him after 7-8 months. Hi brother. कैसे हो? और brother कैसा है? 8 महीना चला गया ऐसे ही. हाँ. There is some function going on, I guess, and people are playing. I don't know what they're doing. So lots of activities been going on here. Just go upside, bro. We'll park it upside. So I have reached Sachin Dada's colony, and great to come back here.